In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a storyboard in Leonardo AI with FlowState. If you want a fast, visual way to plan your scenes and communicate your ideas with clarity, this walkthrough will guide you from first click to final storyboard. First, head over to Leonardo AI in your browser. This is the creative workspace where you'll generate your storyboard. Once you're on the platform, navigate to FlowState. FlowState is designed for sequences, which makes it ideal for building a coherent storyboard instead of just a single image. Before you type anything, set the overall style so the whole sequence feels unified. Start with the vibe. Think of vibe as the emotional temperature of the piece, calm and dreamy, gritty and tense, playful and bright. Choose the one that best fits your story. Next, adjust the lighting. Soft daylight, moody low-key, dramatic backlight, or neon accents can radically change the tone, so pick lighting that supports your vibe and sticks with it across the sequence. Then choose your shot type. Decide whether you want wide establishing shots to set location, medium shots for action, or close-ups to emphasize emotion. Mixing these within a coherent plan can help the story flow visually. Finally, select a color theme. Warm, cool, monochrome, or vivid palettes will shape how viewers feel about each frame, so aim for a palette that matches your concept and stays consistent. Now set your aspect ratio. This determines the shape of your frames and influences composition. Use 16.9 for widescreen videos, 9:16 for vertical stories, or 1:1:1 if you're aiming for a square feed. Choosing this now helps the model compose each frame correctly from the start. With your visual settings in place, enter a detailed prompt describing how you want the storyboard to unfold. Be clear about the setting, the characters, the mood, and the progression from scene to scene. You can describe the sequence as a series of beats using concise sentences for each moment. Mention key details like time of day, key props, and the atmosphere you want to sustain. If you have a recurring character or motif, name it consistently so the model keeps it cohesive. Keep language specific, avoid contradictions, and write in present tense to guide the flow. When everything looks right, click Generate. The system will process your request and assemble the storyboard using your style choices and prompt details. And that's it. Done. You now have a clear, visually consistent storyboard from FlowState in Leonardo AI, ready to guide your next creative step.